We just open up the glove compartment, and on the side of the glove box over here, you see that little screw on the side right here? We're going to unscrew that little Phillips head screwdriver we need in there. We're going to take that off and then we'll lower the box down. So let me grab a screwdriver and we'll continue. Okay, now we're just going to unscrew this screw out of here. You don't want to lose it because obviously you're going to need to put it back in. And you can use a longer screwdriver. I'm using a stubby one because the car is still on the lift and the door doesn't open up all the way. And then we'll just take this off like that. Let's make sure over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to push this glove box in this way, on this side and this side to open it up. A little hard to do with just like this. And then the box comes down just like that. And right up inside here is this little tab here. You push it this way, and this little tab, you push it that way, and you can pull the cover off just like this. It only can go back in one way. It says up right on there. Now we'll take this filter out. Now the filter also says up, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. There's a lot of crap inside there. Alright, so let's put this on the side and let's grab our new filter and put it back together. Now unfortunately my new filter is underneath all of this crap right here. Alright, so if you look at the filter, somewhere on the filter it's going to tell you what side is up. And there you go. That's the upside. You just take the filter, put it up inside here just like this, push it in, all the way in like that. And then we'll take our cover. And remember, the cover only can go one way. Put it over the top like that. And push it into its tabs where it belongs. And you hear it snap in. Then what you do is you lift your glove box up, just like this. And now we're going to push this past here, and you see it snap in place just like that. We take our little retractable shock absorber here. Sometimes you can get in there, sometimes you can't. So you need a pair of needle nose pliers or whatever, and you can pull it down just like that. I'm going to put you down for 1 second because I need two hands to snap that on there. Oh, maybe not. There we go. Goes on just like that. And then we take our screw, put our screw back in just like that. And that's it. Cabin filter's all done. The only thing we have to do is we take all the crap that fell out. I'd like to throw it in the garbage, but we'll just throw it in there for now. Just like that. Close it up. Whoop. Can't forget that. Close it up. That's it. All done. Okay, you're all done. All right, this is some basic maintenance that anybody can do. If you follow my advice and just follow it step by step, you'll have a perfect outcome. You'll save yourself a ton of money, and you know, it's a nice sense of accomplishment getting the job done yourself. All right, so that's it. You're all set. All right, basic maintenance is something that anybody can do. If you follow my video and follow it step by step, you're not going to have a problem. The cabin filter, the air filter, it's just basic, easy maintenance. You'll save yourself, you know, half an hour, 20 minutes in labor, which, you know, equates to $50, $60, $70, whatever the rate is at that time. All right, and it's something you can do yourself. So if you have any questions, you need any advice, you know, I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. My email you'll find in the About section of me, so you can send me an email if you need to talk to me, or just respond on my channel, and I'll get back to you. All right, thanks for watching, and if you have any problems, you know, drop me a line. Thanks again.